Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I have come with a beautiful question for all of you. Which PG do you want in your life? Whether it is personal growth or is it post graduation? Which one do you want to have in your life? Let me help you with giving some differences between these two PG. When I say post graduation, it's more about reading a lot of books, being very knowledgeable, no, to be intellectually rich, isn't it? But when I talk about personal growth, it's being to be mindful of whatever we do. How to be more mindful. That is being taught in personal growth. Going to the next one, when I talk about post graduation, it's more about knowing about the world around you, knowing about that. But when I talk about personal growth, it's about knowing deep inside yourself. It's more about discovering yourself, discovering your true potentials, your hidden talents. Isn't it really beautiful? Post graduation is more of being a stressed one, whereas in personal growth, it's more about knowing the tips and techniques, how to work in a stressful environment, how to be stress free, how to be more effective at your workplace. Going to the next one. In post graduation, there is only one C, and that is competition. But in personal growth, there are three C's. You know what are those? One is clarity, the second one is confidence, and the third one is courage. Yes, three C's. Moving into the next difference, when I talk about post graduation, it's more of preparing yourself for a job, wanting a job, focusing on the results, isn't it? But when I talk about personal growth, it's more on focusing on the journey, focusing on the mental and emotional state, preparing yourself for a better life. Which one do you want? Telling you a little more. Post graduation makes you believe in certain thing and then you grow. Whereas in personal development, you experience it. Given yourself, you take experience. And the last one that I will definitely share, which will help you to understand the real difference. Post graduation is theoretical, whereas personal growth is practical. Now it's your time to decide, what do you want in your life? Do you want to have a post graduation or a personal growth in your life? There are many people around us, many successful people indeed, those who are really doing well in their life, those who are really happy in their life. They may not have post graduation with them. So it's your time. Share your comments below. Which PG would you choose? Thank you.